Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shantina. So today I went and did some self-care shopping, and I do this probably about once a month. And today I wanted to go ahead and film a self-care budget-friendly haul for you. And I got all of my products from Marshall's, and let me first start off by saying that this video is not sponsored. I truly love going to Marshall's and getting all of my self-care, self-love, self-health care needs and products, because Marshall's is like one of those stores that have name brand for less, and I love that. Another couple of places that you can go for that same name brand for less would be Home Goods, maybe Ross, sometimes Target, and of course, where we already went, Marshall's. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right into this haul. So the first product that I'm going to show you is this Dr. Wells Coconut Lip Scrub and Polish. It exfoliates and rejuvenates. For me, I can't get enough of like lip products and lip scrubs and lip masks and things like that. My lips in the winter time get so dry. They be cracking all over the place, and that is just not a good look. So I am always out on a hunt for a good lip scrub and lip balm. I've never tried this one before. It's really nice. Oh, it smells really good. It's pretty hard, like coconut. It definitely have a coconut texture, and it have some like coconut pieces in there. I can't wait to try this. This is probably going to be a little staple of mine. Let's see. This product cost $2.99. If that's not a budget, okay? Because you know lip scrubs can run anywhere from $2.99 on up to $20, okay? All right, so the next product that I picked up was this aloe vera eye cream, deep hydrating and calming moisturizer, and it's by the same brand, Dr. Wellness. So I have been on a hunt for a good eye mask or eye cream, and I haven't been able to find one that I like. So I was like, you know, let me go back to Marshall's, because Marshall's always have a good variety of name brand products that really work, and they are for less. Now this here, it has aloe vera. It's an aloe vera eye cream. It has water, mineral oil, glycerin, aloe vera extract. It doesn't have a smell, which is really good. I try to get stuff that's fragrance free for my face, because I do have eczema, and fragrance and eczema, it don't mix. All right, moving right along. I got this 4-pack makeup remover towels. I love using makeup remover towels, even if I don't have makeup on that day, because it still tends to get all of the dirt and the debris that has just piled up on your face throughout the day. So I really like these towels. Wait, I didn't tell you how much this eye cream. This eye cream was $3.99. So these towels are from, let's see, it says makeup remover towels. Who is this by? It says follow us on Instagram, truebeauty.products, at truebeauty.products. So like I said, these, it comes in a 4-pack, which is good. It has came in this little container. I don't know if you should keep this container or not, but it has 1, 2, 3, it has 4 towels in it. That's these. This is a good buy. Normally you can get them like 2 for $4, but these are 4 for $4.99. Can't beat that. The next thing that I did get was this 2-in-1 pumice sponge for smooth, soft feet, lighter weight for easy use and storage at home pedicure. So I try to stretch my pedicures and manicures for like 3 weeks. And in between that time, the way that I can stretch it, because normally, you know, you want to go, of course you want to get your feet done, soak them and get them all pretty and stuff, but normally you're trying to get the cuticles done and you're trying to get that dead skin that's off the back of your feet. So that's why I purchased these, and it has the hard stone in it and it has the softer one in there for buffing. This is going to come in handy. I'm going to keep 2 in my shower and then, you know, store the rest of them and pull them out whenever I need them. I've never seen these in a package like this. That's why I had to get it. These were $4.99. Okay, so next I picked up this, look at this little cute jar of Shea Moisture's Coconut Hibiscus and Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now this product here, my hair loves this product. I haven't used it in so long. It smells so good. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with silk protein, with silk protein and neem oil. It moisturizes and curl define thick curly hair, and it is color safe. This is a self-care product. It is. Why? Because taking care of my hair is also a part of self-care. A regular container of this curl enhancing smoothie is like $13 or $14, and it's not much bigger than this. And this here, I got this for $3.99. Okay, something else that I did get. So I do take medication, vitamins, and me and my husband, we do our share of traveling throughout the year. And normally I keep my medications and vitamins all like in one container, but I found this here. This is a vitamin pod. It says it is a vitamin pod. It is a pill case, 7 compartments with covers. Let me show you what it looks like on the cover. And I do keep my medication with me. Well, I don't keep all medication with me. I have acid reflux, so I have to sometimes keep my antacids medication with me, and I keep it, I'm gonna keep them in here. I'm gonna travel with this. This is nice. When I saw this, I had to pick it up, and this is only $3.99. All right, so another part of self-care is, you know, the clothing that you put on your body. Cotton, breathable things. I know satin and lace is pretty, but it's so hot. It's hot, hot, hot. And it could, you know, not be so good for your lady parts, okay? So when you are going to sleep, you really want to sleep either commando or you want to sleep in cotton underwear. But cotton underwear is just not cute to me. So I found these panties, these underwear, and they came in a 5-pack in different colors. It's gray and black. This color here, mostly like neutral colors. And it has the name New Balance on the front, which I thought is pretty cool. And the crotch is cotton, stretchable, breathable. This, my ladies, is self-care at another level. Self-care, you gotta make sure you are also taking care of the health of, you know, your little lady part down there. And along with breathable night clothes. Either you're gonna be naked or you wanna wear like cottons or breathable nightwear, because your body and your skin is going to love you for you. So I picked up these. It's just some pajamas, pajama top and shorts. I like the shorts because it's like a bandana material. And what's so cute about the shorts being a bandana print, and the top, it says, It says Lucky California. And everybody know bandanas and California go together like peas and rice. I have one last thing that I did get. I have to show you this. I found these rain boots at Marshall. They're very stylish. My favorite color, black. You know what? Let me just show you. All right, so these boots by the brand Capelli, New York. And these rain boots are so cute. Let me show you. So here they are. These are some stylish boots. These are dope. These are nice, okay? They're rubber. They got a nice little print right there. In print, it has a gold detail right there. It has a strap. It almost looked like a riding boot, right? It almost looked like a riding boot, but this is a rain boot. And guess how much I paid for these? And I'm gonna show you the price just in case you don't believe me. It is $24.99. You don't believe me? Let me show you. And I cannot wait to wear these. They have a nice little, have grips on the bottom, almost like combat boots. These are nice. All right, so that is it. That is gonna wrap up this budget-friendly self-care haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, especially if you like videos like this. I love showing you guys what I am getting, so make sure you give me a thumbs up for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And like I said earlier, I will make sure that I put all of these items in the description box, and I'll let you know the website that you can go to purchase these items if you want to. Or you can go to Ross and see if you can find something comparable to what I showed you today. All right, so as always, remember to stay focused. Keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.